Namaskar Mitra. In previous lecture, in previous two episodes, we discussed about what is yoga and what is the purpose of yoga. In this episode, I share points on performance of yoga. It is necessary to keep certain matters in review for performing yogasana. Like, for the purpose of eradication of disease, one should perform yogasana under the personal guidance of an experienced teacher. Practice of yoga should be regular and without break, bearing in mind the necessity of 7 elements, that is, discipline, faith, self-confidence, love, effort, sincerity, and ample soul force. Yoga exercise should be undertaken after brushing the teeth, cleaning the tongue, washing the mouth, and other morning ritual. It is very important to clean the bowl before starting yoga exercise, especially for eradication of disease, for the performance of a special purpose. It is absolutely necessary to have a bladder empty and bowel clean. If before performance of yogasana, bowel have not been cleared with nature's aid, then it may be necessary to drink a full glass of warm water or a cup of tea, coffee, or a milk chocolate. If one wants to perform yoga after a light breakfast, then at least a minimum of 1 hour period should elapse before performance of asana. One should not perform yoga exercise unless 4 hours have passed after eating regular food. One should take a breakfast or meals at least half an hour after yoga exercise. Yogasanas can be practiced in the morning or evening depending upon availability of time. One should perform a yogasanas in open or in place well ventilated and clear of paste. One should not continue wearing spectacles or ornament during the performance of asanas. If you do so, either they may break or may injure your body. One should not perform asanas immediately after a long walk in sunlight heat. During the practice of asanas, facial muscles should not get stressed, and eye, ears, and breathing should not suffer any strain, and not a kind of pressure should be felt. Performance of all asanas should be rhythmic. There should be no hurry or sudden jerks. One should not have a physical tiredness or mental stress, and the body should not feel stiffness as it is not proper to carry out a yoga in such a bodily condition. One should thereof avoid undescribed condition. If one perform asanas only mechanically, much advantage cannot be gained. Hence, one on every occasion such exercise should be carried out with a mental concentration. One should not unnecessarily talk during a yogasan practice. When initially you start a practice of yogasanas, keep your eyes open so you can thereby see what and how you are performing. Whether it is right or wrong, but after due some experience, when you feel perfect in yoga practices, keep your eyes closed so that with the desired discipline and control of the body, you concentrate your mind on the advantage being gained by each asanas on internal glands. During the practice of yoga, body only should be active, mind should be quiet and ease. If the mind is uneasy or it is working in the opposite direction, then one cannot be capable of finding out mistakes being committed during the asanas. Always breathe through the nostrils during the practice of asanas. Do not breathe through mouth. One should be alert about this habit. Breathing should be rhythmic with forward and backward bending during a performance of yogasanas. On completion of all asanas, it is essential to practice shavasana for at least 10 to 15 minutes. This practice will allow any strain suffered by any part of body to get relaxed. Such asanas where one has to bend backward or forward are helpful when one has higher or lower blood pressure. For a patient who has pus in the ears or whose eyes are weak or whose retina has some damage should not perform Sirshasana or Sarvangasana as well as Halasana and such other asana where legs go up and head is kept down. If one performs asanas in haste or incorrectly or just as a fast moving way, the ill effect of the same would be observed in a few days only, and one can see the need to make the necessary correction in the practice. Children up to 12 to 14 years of age should not be instructed in all asana. Have a faith in practice of yoga, and aspirants should sincerely practice yoga then he will get able to save himself from big damage. So please, before start yogasana, this point have to considered by each and every practitioners. Thank you very much. सबका शुभ हो, सबका मंगल हो.